Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to test chlorine and pH levels in your pool. First, gather a test kit or strips and a clean sample cup, then remove surface debris. Take the sample from mid-depth and away from jets to avoid skewed readings. Dip or add reagents according to the kit instructions, wait the specified time, and compare color or digital results to target ranges before making adjustments. Selecting the right testing tool matters for reliable results and safe swimming. Reagent kits are typically more accurate for chlorine and pH than strips, while digital meters give direct numeric readings when calibrated. Consider how often you test and how precise you need to be when choosing a method. Store reagents and strips properly and replace expired supplies. Consistent testing habits prevent surprises and help you maintain balanced pool chemistry easily. Reading results correctly turns numbers into action for clearer water and fewer problems. If free chlorine reads low, add sanitizer per product instructions. If high, partially drain or wait and retest. For pH outside 7, 2 to 7. 6. Add pH increaser or decreaser in measured doses and allow circulation before retesting. Always make small adjustments, record your steps, and retest after circulation to verify you've hit safe, comfortable ranges for swimmers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.